Have you ever looked at someone and just thought, wow, they are a treasure? Let's bury them. Have you ever met somebody and just thought, my heart has no room for you, but my trunk does? So. What is one thing that holds you back from being yourself? For me, it's prison.
This is your morning reminder that you're not going to make it in prison. I know you like to think you're really tough, and you are, but you're also a high thread count betting, easily overstimulated, filthy, dirty martini with a very well-curated skincare routine and tummy troubles. You're simply not going to be satisfied with prison hooch and your laundry list of dietary restrictions. So, be nice to people today.